Hi everyone, it's Carl here. Time to do a taste test review of Orbit Bubblemint gum. And you get 14 pieces of sugar-free gum in this. I believe they paid a buck something for these. Don't know exactly much, but I forgot how much I paid for them, but like a buck something. Let's try one of these sticks out. Smells good. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty good gum. Probably one of the best bubble gums I ever had. But I always, but I'm more of like a spearmint guy, but I still enjoy this flavor. So yeah, definitely, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10, just because I like this. Like I said, I'm more for spearmint flavor guy. So yeah, definitely get this again soon. And thank you for watching. Bye now.